So friends, again we are going to a mall and also see the city and the beautiful house. And this number I had written. That number I had written. No? St. Mary's Church, Jacobite, Orthodox. And we are traveling with my brother-in-law. Hi. We are entering the mall now. It's famous Lulu Mall. So this is the famous Lulu Mall. So many counters, but so many counters. So I'll buy this. Oh, curry patti, that is palm sugar. France, Serbia. This apple is from New Zealand, from USA, from South Africa. So you guys from South Africa, this is from your country. Poland, Evelina. So this apple is from Poland. My friend from Poland, Evelina, I am sending her this. So Evelina, Poland. So this is your apple from Poland. Then there are so variety of dates here. See the dates. Oh my God, it's from Iraq, Algeria. So lot of dates here. And carrots, Ooty from Ooty. Carrots are from Ooty. Cucumber. All Indian products. This is all Indian. We don't import any vegetables because we have lot of vegetables here. Just see the price and compare it with your country. That's banana stem and this is a banana flower. That's 19 rupees per piece. Just compare. A nice vegetable with this, with the coconut and all.
Fish curry. This is for Kerala fish curry.
Yeah.
We'll cut this, put coconut milk and fish curry.
Fish
Kerala
curry.
food.
This is banana fritters. That's the famous for and purple vada, aloo bonda. So friends, here comes the fish. Basa fish. Yes. Nutter fish. Then rohu fish here. It's all from the fresh water. Oh, he loves fish. So he comes here
Especially dry fish, my favorite.
and he comes here to buy this all here. So you can see the smile on his face.
This is my favorite white pomfret.
Fish variety. You see so much of fish here. And that they take it inside, they cut it. Once you select it, they take it inside, cut it. See the variety of pickles, friends. These are the sweet ones. These are passion fruit, amla, ginger pickle, bitter gourd pickle. So many pickles here, friends. This is the mixed pickle. Yes, and then here the fish pickle, chicken pickle, beef. So friends, our purchasing over and now we head back home. Hey bhai, nice purchasing.
Yeah.
We are leaving the mall now. This is the mall area. He's back. He's parking his scooter and we took about half hours for us with the purchasing. So Ray, thank you for showing me your Lulu Mall.
Yes.
Thank you very much. This is mackerel. Then this is nadan. I think this is also, I don't know what is this fish. This one. This is Aila, this is Mati, yes. Then fish curry with mango. See mango pieces. See, nice mango. Chutney, oh my God. And chicken fry and rice. Ayyo, so much she made. Friends, again, yeah. Mall. Also see the city. Eating, take you to the market. Going to a mall now. Don't have to wear the helmet, not like the rest of India, where no one is bothered. So some rules are there, you have to follow discipline. The beautiful house, and this number I had written. That number I had written, no? Yeah. So long back, how many years back? Yes. there's a small pond behind. I met a show last time when the temple pond, but very beautiful. Birds here, fish there. Early morning I come here, there's a bird there. Can you see that? From morning he's sitting there. Here. That is the snake bird we call dart. See, there's another bird flying there. Oh, he went that side. There he was. He's sitting there. You can see that. So like that, you see some water birds here. So beautiful. So this is the pond. The temple is over there. And now we make a move. Here you go up on the terrace. I will try to go afternoon after we come. Yes. Ready? Ready to go. So they are building here. They're covering this. It will take time for them.
The major canal.
This is an irrigation canal for the paddy fields. Ottapalam and all, it goes from the dam. The water comes from the dam and it goes to Ottapalam for the paddy field. So they're building a big road here. So this is the height which it will come for the road. So friends, here, beautiful church. What's the name of the church? St. Mary's Church. Jacobite. Orthodox. St. Mary's Orthodox Church. Lot of pineapples here. See this? So Kerala is famous for bananas. You'll see so many bananas here. Can you see this river here? Just next to this is the river here. Beautiful river. And we are traveling with my brother-in-law. Hi. It's a famous mall. So we have come to not only buy things, but we have to wait. I get down. Wait. So we are entering the mall now. It's famous Lulu Mall. Valet parking. Vehicle charges. A lot of parking space here. Oh, so this is the main entrance. The highway is over there. The highway is there. And when you see here, a lot of shops here. Something here, make your own perfumes. So these are they have the coding system for this. In my earlier video, you might have seen this. So this is the famous Lulu Mall. So many counters, but so many counters. In Mauritius, first thing when I entered, I saw the ghee here. So cow ghee, Britannia.
No, not like that.
Yeah.
They are all Lulu's products.
Oh.
Dal, powder. See, Kiran bhai, do you want this?
Karipatti, eh?
Karipatti alla. This is bellam. Karipatti you want?
Yeah.
Karipatti.
So I am trying to have a karipatti.
Wait.
Yeah, this is good, no? The black one, no? They say. Yeah, this is good.
This is
So palm sugar.
Karipatti. And this is 150.
Yeah.
While coming, you want to buy?
Yeah,
you
I'll
buy
buy
two
this.
because again you are not going to buy.
No, I'm buying 4.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll
You
buy
buy
this 4.
I'll get it.
So this is,
All you have to pay in the counter.
yeah.
How much you want?
4. Make it 5 also.
Can you carry that?
That I can carry it. Karipatti, that is palm sugar. Now we are trying to get mangoes. Yeah. The mangoes are here. Fruit section. See the price. Pomegranate kg. Permission there, not that good. Green apple from France. So this is from India. Pomegranate is from India. This they are not mentioned. France, Serbia. This apple is from New Zealand, from USA. This red apple from USA. Mandarin imported from South Africa. So guys from South Africa, this is from your country. And then let me show you. Oh, bananas here. This is locals. Huh? Bananas are local. Then South Africa, grapefruit. India, Italy. This apple is from Italy. Then USA. Poland. Evelina. So this apple is from Poland. My friend from Poland, you know, Evelina, I am sending her this. So, Evelina, Poland. So this is your apple from Poland. France.
What is the price?
Yeah, it's 249 rupees kg. And dragon fruit from Vietnam.
How much is it?
Avocado. I don't know from where it is. These grapes are imported ones. So, and then there are other things here from South Africa, from Korea. From South Africa, Korea, Peru. Kiwi fruits are from Peru. That's all India. Chiku is from India. Guava from India. Apple ambari, the small apples, that's from, I don't know from where. This dragon fruit, this is Indian dragon fruit. Custard apple and mangoes. So we have to buy some mangoes here. Then there are so variety of dates here. See the dates. Oh my God, this is from Iraq, Algeria. So lot of dates here. Then there are frozen fruits here, not frozen but kept in cold storage. Grapes, blueberry. Oh, now it's coming here. Tomatoes and fresh vegetables here. Greens. So, no, coriander, curry leaf, pineapple. This is also chira, they call it. It's nice coconut vegetable, you know, you cook it with coconut. Yeah, oranges and carrots, Ooty from Ooty, carrots are from Ooty. Cucumber, all Indian products, this is all Indian. We don't import any vegetables because we have lot of vegetables here. Just see the price and compare it with your country. So we don't see any other foreign things here. That's amla, sour berry. This is a big mango which my daughter loves. So big they are, see. So really big one. Beetroot, some raw bananas and bitter gourd, sweet corn, cauliflower, cabbages, purple cabbages. That's banana stem and this a banana flower. That's 19 rupees per piece. Just compare. A nice vegetable with this, with the coconut and all. Then you have elephant yam and pumpkin, ash gourd, pumpkin disco. That's a different colors. That's why disco. Friends, I am buying this chili. I am taking it to Mumbai because in Mumbai you don't get. And this is what we do is we make pickle of this. Put in vinegar and make some pickle. So I think this is enough for me. Let me check how much it is. Yeah, that's more than enough. Yes. So chili, hybrid chili, 89 rupees kg. So to make some pickle. So I love pickles. So I said let me. And my brother-in-law brought mango. Only one?
Yeah,
No, we take more.
this is for fish curry. This is for Kerala's fish curry.
Yeah.
We'll cut this, put coconut milk and fish curry.
Fish
Kerala's
curry.
famous. With
Come, we buy
green
more.
chilli.
Come.
No.
No, what do you mean? No, I'll eat like that. So I said we'll buy one more. Here, now friends, a lot of bakery items. Yeah. What is that? Rebhai, what is this jelly? Oh, these are jellies. Okay. See the bakery item
Where
here.
you want to use this? You bought it?
No. Oh, see, lot of bakery items here. What a mall, eh? I feel like I am in Mauritius because the Mauritius mall was looking like this. Super U. A Christmas stall. Let us see what's there here. The Christmas trees here. A lot of Christmas trees. Some caps here. Oh, then this is nice. There are candles here. Yeah, Reva, yes. Hi.
You
Now
want me
we-
to take a photo of you?
No. Here they make jalebis. So lemon rice, fried rice, curry, paneer makhani, mushroom, kurma. Then you have, oh, this is banana fritters. That's the famous for and parpa vada, aloo bonda. That's something. So this is stuffed banana. I couldn't make out.
No, dal vada.
Padam means banana,
Dal
stuffed
vada here it
banana.
is very cheap, 14. Where it is 20 rupees. Hotel.
Here it dal vada is cheap.
This is very good, eh? Very good thing.
Reva, we buy this for the evening snack.
You want, huh?
Yeah, we buy. Okay. So see the crowd here to buy things. This is chicken, crispy chicken. Then you have salad here. Tasting strictly not allowed. You have different salads here. Egg. So some lemon mint. Pineapple. This is the chicken one.
Chicken.
Yeah, ready chicken. Yeah. So you just go home and cook. So many things are here. Just friends, you are able to see. This is the whole chicken here. So people who are non-vegetarian better skip this video. Lot of things here. This is lamb. That is chicken, lamb, and meat. So this is all lambs here. Australian mutton curry cuts. So all lamb here. This non-veg. I usually don't prefer non-veg much. Fish, yes. So friends, here comes the fish. Basa fish. Yes. Nutter fish. Then rohu fish here. This all from the fresh water. Tilapia, all fresh water. What you call this in Malayalam?
They call simply silk.
Silk.
We have to remove the skin.
Black pomfret. It's a tuna here. That's a tuna here. Tuna is small one, little 299 rupees kg, and kingfish, surmai we call it, 899. White pomfret, 1400 kg. So in Mumbai it is cheap. This is very cheap in Mumbai. The black pomfret and this and surmai is very cheap. Here it is very expensive. 1400 per kg. And the size is also very small. It's just this size. So there are prawns here. We see the price of the prawns. Sea prawns, 799. Black tiger, 1350. White pomfret. Nattali. Sardines and sardine. You got your fish, huh? Mackerel. Yeah, mackerels we wanted to buy. How much you bought?
1 kg.
1 kg is 220 rupees.
This is another type. This is Bangla.
Horse mackerel. Horse mackerel is 220 rupees kg.
Same rate.
This mackerel
Just
220.
variety.
Grey
This is
mullet.
variety.
Yeah, this is the and white fish. Sardine, the small sardines. Just clean it and fry it.
But this they won't clean.
Ah.
Small fish they won't clean. The other day I bought this.
Nattali. Sardines. What's the difference between this sardine? That's little bigger one. Huh?
A little bigger one.
In-law, he loves fish, so he comes here
Especially dry fish, my favorite.
and he comes here to buy this all here. So you can see the smile on his face.
This is my favorite white pomfret.
So fresh. This one is local fish. They have cleaned and kept. And mussels here. So only one guy is there. Friends here ready to cook.
65 rupees only.
What is it? Natali? Eh?
This is Natoli. Another fish.
Where is Natoli?
Natoli is not here. Natoli is not here.
All Nadan.
Nah.
But very cheap, eh?
Then what? 56 prawns also is
Oh,
not.
shark. So these are all dried fish.
Here, what is this?
This one is 87 rupees.
Ah,
And dried sardines here. So much of fish here.
what is this? You have seen this?
Wellington sole fish. Sole fish. So the fish variety, you see, so much of fish here. And that they take it inside, they cut it. Once you select it, they take it inside, cut it, they bring it, and there's a fresh fish. So, tuna.
This is a tasty fish, eh? This is tasty.
Yes, this is fresh salmon, but it has come from Norway. So we are going home now because we are late. Bed sheets and all here. And here, dry prawns pickles. These are all pickles. Friends, there also you have some pickles, but these are vegetable pickles here. See the variety of pickles, friends. These are the sweet ones. These are passion fruit, amla, ginger pickle, bitter gourd pickle. So many pickles here, friends. This is the mixed pickle. This, and then here the fish pickle, chicken pickle, beef, and then some olives, and some fresh pineapple, mayonnaise, peri peri, fruit salad. Oh my God, what all? Here, this is in rime, salted water, the chili and all that. This is kandhari, very spicy one, and mango, pineapple. Oh my God, they have raw mango. Oh, this is apple. I thought it's raw mango. That's pineapple, sweet and spicy. So many of them. So we head back. Come on. Our shopping is over, and we are heading back. See how big the mall is. All drinks over there. Lot of drinks here. So see the drinks. Let me show you the drinks here. So some frozen items here. But let me show you the drinks here. So many items. Soda and all that. So many items. Yeah, we go now. Come. So friends, our purchasing over, and now we head back home. We have to take this trolley down now. Yeah. Hey, move. It's 1:15 and we have to cook.
150.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cooking will take 25 minutes.
So, a long day purchasing. 1.5 hours we were moving around. Friends, we are leaving the mall after doing the purchasing. Bhai, nice purchasing.
Yeah.
We are leaving the mall now. This is the mall area. The way out is from this side. This is the way out. And then you'll see the highway. So this is the main entrance to the mall. under bridge. No, no, we have to
No, no.
go right. Okay. So this is the highway, and we are going. Not taking the highway, but we are going on the left side. We reached back. He's parking his scooter, and it took about 1.5 hours for us to do the purchasing. So now we remove all this. We kept in the scooter all the items. See the items we kept in the scooter. So we reached back. I remove my helmet first. So Ray, thank you for showing me your Lulu Mall.
Yes.
Thank you very much. This is mackerel, and this is nadan. I think this is also, I don't know what is this fish.
That's what Isla.
This one,
Matti.
this is Ayla, this is Matti, yes. Then fish curry with mango. See mango pieces. See, nice mango chutney. Oh my God! And chicken fry and rice. Ayyo, so much you made.
Those moments.
If you like my videos, please do share with your friends and families and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Ray.